Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Thursday. Good morning. So come with me through my day. Presently I want to go and wash. After that I do some other things. I've already done most of the things. Don't bother about look. Everything's going to come into shape. So come along with me. This is going to be day in the life of by the title. So stick around, don't go anywhere. Guys, if you're a lefty like me, make it known in the comment section. I'm not a left-handed person throughout though, but when I'm working and other things, I make use of my left hand. Even when I'm counting money, the only thing that I make do with my right hand is eating and writing. I still write with my left though, so if you like that, just state it in the comment section. Let me know how many we are. So guys, I'm done arranging the bed. Up next is to eat. They say my portion size is always big, but trust me, it's not big because by this time it was already past 12 and I've not eaten since morning yet, so I think it's okay. But if you think otherwise, sha, no wala. And also I had my bottle of water by the side because on a normal day it's difficult for me to take, the normal water intake, so putting it in a bottle helps me. You get, after that I just get ready and relax. I hope you're enjoying the vlog. Good afternoon, guys. I don't know if you guys can see me. Let me know. Okay. So I'm arranging my things. I'm going to my friend's place today, I guess tomorrow, for her child's dedication. So I'm not sure if I'm going to vlog it. Since it's someone else's space, I don't know. I might not vlog, I might vlog. We'll see how it goes. So I just want to show you guys, the things that I'm arranging. So this one here is where my clothes are, and I got this for 500. Yeah, thrift of that. So all of them are inside. My nightwear, what I will use, everything is inside here. And I'll be coming back on Monday. Just want to have extra time. So I'm putting inside this bag. I don't want to carry plenty load. That's why I'm arranging it like this. This too, I got it for 500, but it's been long ago. I think like December or November. That's when I got it. So this one is 500. This one you can see to the Amazon and the AliExpress. One of them you can see there. So my panties are here. These are my toiletries. The other ones are inside this other zip. I don't want to open it. Perfume, pomade, sure, every. My exfoliating glove too is inside. So this is it. This is the one that you can hang. So that is that. Then this, don't mind this makeshift bag. This is where my makeup and my gele stuff. This is where they are. This is my powder palette and the other one. So I'm just going to fix them inside. And don't forget my toothbrush. So I'm taking this selfie tripod just in case. I'm not sure I'm going to use it. Alright guys, I'll see you. I don't know if you guys can see me. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. So stay tuned to this channel. Do not go anywhere. Bye guys.